A new thing in Jamaica, you know. If you want boss, you have to dead first.
Give me roses while I'm alive, we don't want them. Time I see a airport, yo, me I gonna knock you flat to ground. As them want to take my visa, I care zero. Oh, remember I cool, you know. True, me have the case, I mean, I want a problem, man. Yeah, so don't feel like I get too bright.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, at Man of Peace. We settle the violence off the streets. Yes, I say, living love and unity and strength. Yes, man, I don't know, December the 13th in the morning, a birthday wishes to Maki, my local brother, Saf. So, I say, happy birthday. I hope you live to see many more, bro. Yes, I say, yeah, man. But in this plug, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, Gangoli, bad artist Gangoli. Make a next speech again, because I love him I talk from ready and I speak in mind and I hype up people, you know what I mean? Everything when I speak makes sense. And the reality of life, you see me? And this time the man say, yo, if you want boss, you have to dead first. And I know who I relate to Naya. See, Naya passed away, rest in peace, and I be a people. The amount of love the youth I get, even though the youth was a Jehovah youth still, you see me? But before, when he was alive, you never get them love there. Me always say, man, they all appreciate your music. Where the support them did really I get. I know for artists, this drop out, or when they drop out, people start play them song and share them song and all of them things there. Boy, I tell you, you see me, but big yourself Gangoli. So we're going to react to that, and Gangoli have a bad song name, Thump in a Face, me not take.
Oi. Beat up, me no take your musty mad. Thump in a face, me no take.
You see it, we're going to react from Spring Wata, a song we do 9 years ago, titled Roses. And I see anything in the song where it's Spring Water, where Gangoli, I say, you see me? Yeah, man, give me my roses while I'm alive, don't wait till I'm gone. You see it? Yeah, man, so don't go to when we are forward, you know, we keep it up real over here up on the back of you, you see me? Yes, man, big up CD banging, we now stop trying, you see me? Single by Imaric, I and I sing it, you see? Big up CD banging, I endorse it. Yes, let me say, yeah, man, we now stop trying until the day I die. Big up the trying people out there, we're going to check out the song. Yes, let me say. Alright, we're going to kick off the vlog here. Now, here we're going to go here, as to say.
A new thing in Jamaica, you know. If you want boss, you have to dead first. So whether you're actor, actress, entertainer, work for rubbish truck, sweep your gutter, Irish street, nobody not see you, nobody not try help you, nobody not try motivate you. But as you're dead, if you sweep the street, you're going to say you sweep the street the best. You never late to work, you reach to work on time, you have manners, you never disrespect no one, you are the best. And when you're alive, you never know that, you know. So once you want boss, dead first.
Give me roses while I'm alive, we don't want them.
Yes, man, give me my roses while I'm alive and my flowers, and my appreciation and the support while I'm alive. Don't wait till I drop out and they done gone, you see me? Friends and family and so on the time. I don't know a Spring Water song that. Roses, we're going to run through it at the end of the vlog, Zane. Yeah, man, but Gangoli, big up yourself, my G, my God, my brother. Yeah, man, real talk you make again, brother. You see me, as long as you make the positive talk, then you don't know Linefoot, you're going to endorse them. You see me, I say, yeah, man, right now if you want boss, you have to dead first. And that me I tell my friends and family, them, you know, don't share my song, them, me drop out, you know. God forbid, you see me? But you don't know how to live, we don't stop trying until the day we die. You see me, I say, but enough time me see it, regular me see it. You see me, I say artists drop out. Artists will take all them own themselves. You see me, L-I-F-E, you see it? Yeah, artists analyze themselves because they get fed up. And then you say friends and family. Oh, they bad in and play music and them song there. And them never did it when the artists alive and want the support. Not just artists, any profession as we can go to say. Whether I sweep the road or do whatever, you know. now get the support, but make a drop out now. You see it? I mean, I know how mankind says. So some of them genuinely bad mind, some of them genuinely don't want to see you pass them, because they know if you make it, you go reach quick and pass them, you know. Them why them for them on the same level. You see, but big up yourself, Gangoli. Real talk, brother. Right now, if you want boss, you have to dead first. Rest in peace, Daya. You see me? God forbid, they don't know dead for now. A long life, we say. And big up the real people who are support Imaric, Scene, and Lionfoot. Slowly but surely, we are get there. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Gangoli. People, let me know what you think. When you feel Gangoli say, let me know what you all think I have to say about that. You see it, if you don't agree with him or not. Yeah, man. Alright, we're going to run through Spring Wata song now and Gangoli song. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Johnny was a youth when him mother and him sister and him brother and him cousin they are foreign. When Johnny call and I beg them a money, them a tell him say them don't got any.
So Johnny, and this a real life story, no people can relate. Johnny have all them family members in my foreign. I'm alone there yard on the ground. And when they call and ask him for your thing, them say them don't have it. You see me? Johnny have to go there, go look it. You see me? I say I'll try to go grab it too.
But now Johnny dead and gone, them flying with the dearest casket be buried. One thing me have to tell my loved ones.
Yes, man, and these things I remember say happen in a real life. Rest in peace, Dennis. Me write a song about that too, you see me? So Johnny gone out, gone look it, gone rabbit, you know, gone take it for free money, you know. I end up losing 3 pints. And I'm family them flying now, you know, to come bury him and give him the biggest funeral, you see me?
In the roses while I'm alive, me no want them. When me gone, pretty clothes and money now, rose can't save you.
Yes, man, to all of my friends, families, and associates, I always say them rate Imaric, man. Give me my flowers and my roses. Support me while I'm here. Don't wait till me drop out and dead and gone when I start playing my song. The man say, yo, I'm bad, you know, bad, give me it now while I'm alive. Help me get there, you see me? Don't wait till me dead and gone. It's me, I go, Antonio.
In the roses while I'm alive, me no want them. When me gone, pretty clothes and money now, rose can't save you.
Yes, man, Johnny drop out and gone. Johnny now the use of this pretty clothes and his name shoes and flashy shoes and pretty bossy coffin. When I get Johnny no know Johnny in his spirit, and you see me? I would never give Johnny them good life when he was alive. When him call and ask, you know, when you say they don't have it. You see me? I know Johnny go out there and rob. I end up losing 3 pints. At them time I don't want to spend millions on Johnny. I really thought, man. That's what Gangoli say, if you want boss, you have to dead first. But anyway, that song is titled Roses by Spring Wata, released 9 years ago. Big bad song, you see me? We never get the look in and the support. That's me I talk about, you see it? Big up yourself, Spring Wata, anyway, you're there.
If you want boss, you have to dead first.
Alright, so now we're going to run through that song, you know, named Thumping a Face, Me No Take, by Gangoli, you know, foot up and Ramesh it kick off for the up on the net. You see me, and one bag of thing going, so Gangoli sing about it, you see me? Thumping a Face, Me No Take. So here I go.
Time I see a airport, yo, I'm gonna knock you flat to ground. And them want to take my visa here 0.
Remember, I cool, you know. True, me have the case, and me don't want a problem, man. Yeah, so don't feel like I get too bright.
Yes, man, that was put the hype and Ramesh kick off ready up on the net. And when I know Ramesh attacks, Ramesh is no bad man. And Ramesh hype up himself till him burst himself and get himself in a trouble. Now he have to take away himself, you see me? Foot I say, yo, I told me I'm immigration business where I'm not, you see me? But one bag of internet badness. Big up Footer, big up Ramesh, see me, stop the violence.
Oi. Beat up, me no take your musty mad. Thumping a face, me no take. Box and shape, me no take your musty mad. Instantly you dopey me.
Yeah, one thing with Gangoli, them quick, you know, lyrical lyricist. And something happen me find a tune feed. Beat up, me not take you must be mad. Thumping and face, you must be mad. Instantly a dopey make, you see it?
Beat up, me no take you must be mad. Thumping a face, me no take. Box and shape, me no take your must be mad. Them fi know.
Yes, man, from my youth I go school, me no take bad up, you know. My mother tell me, say, any boy like beat them back, lick them back. And if you come tell me, I'm gonna beat up on top of it. Yeah, man. Me not take bullying in school, man. You see me?
Me no born as no handicap. With the out a street or on the block. Try to violate me, spread them out up a sandy shop. Now them friend a send check. Me say pandy up. Make them talk about them pants therapy and the spot.
Yes, man. Me no born as no handicap. I could out a street or on the block. You see me? Any boy violate you, spread them out, you know, right in front of sandy shop. You know, make them friend out yap on the internet, you know, on the app, you know. Yes, man, I call therapy on the spot. Read about them too. You see it?
Self-defense, so you know me not run from the cop. I'm not TG, but them catch in the trap. Try to set me up, me have to move them from them up. When I hear rat-ta-ta-ta-ta, everything drop.
Yeah, you can go there to the self-defense. Me not go run from the cop, you know, cause self-defense. Them can't set me up like them do TJ, you see me? So TJ should have even damage one of them and say you're self-defense. You see it? Because all of them gang the youth, you see me? The man say, yo, them try to set me up, so I have to move them from the map. When they hear rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, yo, that's why you big up Gangoli, bad song on the rhythm, you know? Remix with him. You see it?
Beat up, me no take, you must be mad.
Yes, man, beat up, me no take, you must be mad. You see me, you diss me today, make sure you diss me tomorrow. And he who runs away live to fight another day, you see me? And eye for your eye, tooth for your tooth, life for your life, truth for your truth, people. Beat up, me no take, you see me? By Gangoli. You see me, I say, support the artist, go check out the song, stream it, download it. Don't wait till the artist drop out. You see me? Help the artist go road. You see me, I say, pick up on yourself. I don't know. Give him flowers. Don't wait till me pass away. Blessed.